Forward collision warning.
Relies on cameras and radars to alert the driver of pedestrians, cyclists, or vehicles in front of the car through sound, images, and braking. Tap the vehicle icon on the center display and select Driving Assistance.
Forward collision warning.
Has 4 options: off, low, medium, and high.
Forward collision warning.
Works through 4 methods. Safe distance alarm. When the vehicle is traveling faster than 65 kilometers per hour and gets too close to the vehicle in front, the system will alert you through visual signals to keep a safe distance.
Forward collision warning.
When the vehicle is traveling faster than 10 kilometers per hour and the system believes there is a potential collision risk, it will alert the driver by sounding an alarm or presenting an alert on the driver information display. Emergency brake assistance. When the vehicle is traveling normally and the risk of collision increases, emergency brake assistance will be enabled. If you do not apply enough pressure on the pedal, this function will increase the braking force. Autonomous emergency brake. In case of an immediate collision, if the driver does not brake actively and cannot avoid the collision via steering, autonomous emergency brake will be triggered. The system will apply the maximum braking force to avoid the collision or reduce vehicle speed at the time of collision. Notes on
Forward collision warning.
In some cases, the system functionality may be limited or reduced.
Forward collision warning.
Cannot guarantee 100% normal operation under any circumstance. Please do not deliberately test the front collision mitigation function. It may cause accidents and casualties.